Today I'm going to show you how to play PBU PvP using your phone. Let's start. So first we need to install the Metamask. So just go to your app store and download this Metamask. Just download that. Then after that, go through the process of installation and save the private key and the seed phrase for your security. You will be directed to this page of your wallet, so that the Ethereum main network. Okay, so how to add network? So to add network, go to settings and then click network. After clicking into network, you will not have this RPC networks on your accounts. So to add, click here. Okay, after clicking there, you will be directed to this page, which will ask for some details of the RPC network. So to add a Binance Smart Chain, just use this information and then click save, and then you will have the Binance Smart Chain on your wallet, and then click again here to add back to the chain. Okay, and then you need to input this information to your wallet and then click save. After that, go back to the Ethereum main network and then click here. Okay, after clicking there, you will see all the networks that you have. So scroll down and then you see your Binance Smart Chain and the back to the chain. So first, let's go to Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so what do we need is just some BNB and some FUSD. Okay, so as a recommendation, I would suggest you have some 0.02 BNB for $10, and then you need to have about 350 BUSD. Okay, so $350, or if you do not have the budget, you can just have 35 BUSD. Okay, and then after that, you need to click here and then click on browser. Just click on the browser and then type this to your browser in your Metamask wallet. Okay, so after typing that, you will be directed to this page, but you need to buy some factory token. Okay, so just convert some BUSD to FAC. So as a recommendation, you only need 3 FAC. Do not buy a lot of FAC because it's only for transaction cost. Okay, so after buying your FAC, you also need to go buy some FUSD. Okay, so click there, then you will be directed to this page and then buy some FUSD. So actually you will just convert BUSD to FUSD. Okay, so 350 is also 350 here, and then after doing that, you will have to buy some FPBU. So click on swap. Click on swap. Okay, and then you will be directed to this page, and then you need to click on FPBU and then click Oh, it's already. So okay, as of the recording, you need about 354. You need about 354 FUSD to buy 1000 FPBU, or you need 35.4 to buy 100 FPBU. Okay, for buying, you need to go to the website. Okay, so the website for Prosperous Undead is this one. Okay, and then you need to click marketplace. Okay, so by clicking marketplace, you will be directed to this page, this one. So let's just, so the network should be factory chain. So to change that, go here, then reload. Okay, so you will be asked if you want to change the network, and then click switch. You will see how many FPBU you have and how many factory token you have. So after that, you go to new offering. So do not buy here unless you're rich to buy plants here. So if you have 1000 FPBU, you can buy this one, or you can just buy one seed. Okay, or if you want some plants, you can go to marketplace and then buy some. It's okay, anything will do, but what I recommend is do not go to lending first if you are starting out in this game. So after that, go to QR. So just click on this QR code, and then a QR code, you will not be clicking it so that you will not see my QR code, but you will see a QR code and then screenshot it and then crop and then save the QR code to your cell phone. Okay, after that, you go here again to the website of factory of PBU, and then click download. Okay, so by clicking download, you will be asked if you want app on the Android app, or you want iOS if you have Apple. So download the app and then install. After you install, you will see this app, and then just click on that app, and then you will be asked if you have the QR code. Just upload the QR code, and then you're good to go.